Hi guys, it's me PUNM Puna. Welcome to a new video. Want this? So let's start. First, open your Inshot and add your clips and music. Don't forget to check description for the duration of those clips. So at first, click on the second clip and then freeze it. Then click on switch so it will be added like overlay. You have to adjust it at the beginning of the second clip. As you can see, there's a small extra part after the beat. Make sure to leave the extra part just like I did, then adjust the overlay to that part. And of course the overlay should be 0.1 second long. Click on filter, then go to adjust, then click on curve and adjust it like I'm doing. Yes, it will be white totally, so go to cutout and click on it and you will see the actual magic. Then go to the third clip and of course you have to freeze it like the second one. So click on freeze and then click on switch and adjust it like I did in the second clip. You can actually see the extra part of the second part. So after that you have to click on the overlay, then cut it and adjust it in 0.1 second. Then go to adjust and adjust it like I did before. Then go to cutout and click on it. Maybe I'm not a good explainer, so you can comment if you don't understand anything. Now do the same with other clips too, like this. After that you can check how it's looking right now. In the end you have to add a white overlay like this. Then add a keyframe at the first. And after a little distance add the second one. Then go to opacity and set it in 0. Then go to SA and click on the 7th option. Now we're gonna add the lyrics overlay, so click on the first clip, then click on PIP and add the overlay that I'm gonna give you in description box. Go to blend and then click on screen and then adjust it as you like. And finally your edit is done. You can see how it's looking right now. Like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more new tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.